Thanks for watching Travel with John Spade. Today, you're going to see an aft extended balcony stateroom tour aboard the Carnival Celebration. The bright lighting and these vibrant colors give this room a great open feel. On the sides of your bed, you will find reading lights that are very easy to access. And in the middle of the headboard, you'll find a light switch that controls all of your overhead lights, as well as an LED lit back strip that gives the room great vibes at night. The couch in your room can be converted to a pull-out bed if you need the additional space for sleeping. These large mirrors outlined by an LED light strip gives these rooms a perfect touch. These 3 drawers attached to the main desk give you plenty of room for storage of your items. And with a quick flip of the lid, this ottoman can be converted to a serving tray. One of the favorite features on the new XL class ships are the closets and their abundance of space. Now, one of my personal favorites in this cabin has to be these pull-out baskets alongside the pull-out shoe rack down the bottom. These are so easy and convenient to use at all times. A new cool feature Carnival has added on the Celebration is a new nightlight feature in the bathroom. As you can see, the lights are currently off, still plenty of light to guide your way. The redesigned bathrooms aboard the XL class ships have a sleek and modern feel. While the bathrooms overall can feel very tight and compact, the shower area feels very spacious, open, and I can say very comfortable. Now, before we head out to the balcony for some absolute stunning views, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content, including the Celebration coming soon. Now, I will say, whether we were at sea or docked in port, the views from this aft balcony room were absolutely breathtaking.